Hello, Longaberger. It's Christine Zell here. It's good to see you on this finally Friday, where here at the Elle Daily, we talk about our favorite Friday finds. So welcome on in. It is great to see you here. As a stylist of Longaberger, I love to kind of take a look around my house and think of ways to repurpose some loved products. So of course, Longaberger gives us some great suggestions on how to use these baskets. But this is a place, especially on Fridays, where we find new creative ways to incorporate our Longaberger products into our daily life. And daily life is always changing and switching, and we have to bend and flex with whatever that day brings. So here on our Friday finds, I'm going to tell you how I'm using my filing basket and my bread basket to get ready for back to school. I cannot believe I'm saying those words, back to school. Summer just flew by. Here in Texas, we're going back mid-August, so we are definitely on a countdown over here. And maybe you're going back post-Labor Day, lucky you. I could summer forever, but we gotta kind of think about how we're gonna get organized for the year ahead. Maybe you're grandma and you help with the kids, you pick them up after school. I have some ideas for you. Maybe you are the mama and you're looking for ways to get organized in this new year. I kind of took a look back at last year, and although we had a great first year of homeschooling, we did it. It was great, but I found a few things that I need to tweak and change to be more organized and to really accomplish the day without feeling as teacher and mom so stressed out. To be completely honest. I mean, we've all been there with our kids, right? So what I'm gonna do for you here on our Friday finds is show you some ways to get organized, whether you homeschool or not, how to use our Longaberger products to better be organized. So first up, actually, snacks or homework, which one's more important? I have little kids. My son is almost 7, my daughter just turned 5. They're about a year and a half apart. Their bellies are little, their attention spans are short, so I have to really keep organized on the schedule and the flow of their workload with the snacks. So I think I'm gonna go snacks because they're young. So kind of, I feel like snacks comes first. So what I'm going to use here is a self-service snack station. Can I just tell you a secret to life? If you have little kids that are always in the pantry, or you have neighbor kids running in and out of the house, stealing all your snacks, not that I don't mind sharing, but you know, there's a point when you have to kind of lock up the pantry. We added a lock to the top of the pantry. So we say kitchen's closed. And I know they get hungry, but mom has full control here using my 1973 collection. You can see that gold commemorative tag here, Longaberger 1973. This is our bread basket, and it does hold loaves and croissants and rolls just beautifully. It does come with your free protector, which I love about this basket. You are getting that protector included. But not always am I serving bread at dinner, or not only that, but maybe I'm not hosting that week and I don't need a big self-serving platter or a serving platter for the bread. So for the purposes of back to school, this self-service snack station is going to sit right here on the kitchen island. Welcome to our kitchen island, where we do a lot of our work as well. This will sit out. And I like to kind of time a morning snack and an afternoon snack, but with growth spurts and getting the flow of the new school year, I'll be flexible. I've included some applesauce. They love these pouches. I've included a couple of bars that have fiber and protein in here, and then some sugar because, you know, kids need a little pick-me-up, and then some extra carbohydrates here that they love. I need to get to the store, but add in some tangerine oranges, apples, or you could even pre-slice them and lay them in here in little Ziploc bags. But my kids like to eat the apple whole, so set a couple apples in here, maybe taking out the apple sauce and just putting in apples. It doesn't have to be all this processed food, but this is just what I had in my pantry to show you. Using the bread basket, repurposing a product that I love to decorate with and serve with now becomes that self-service snack station. So maybe you have the kids coming over after school. you can line this up with some of their favorite snacks and they can come pick out what they like. And if I know one of my best friends, her mom is always pickup mom. So grandma takes the kids after school while she finishes work. This would be a great way to utilize one of your Longaberger baskets and just show them, this is what we got. You're not gonna go picking through the refrigerator. You're not gonna go through the pantry and thumb around. This is it. At least in my house, I like to have structure and rules in the sense of the kitchen is not always open or we would be here all day and get no work done. So step number one for getting organized for back to school, a snack station that looks fabulous sitting out on the counter, multi-purpose when you're not using it as a snack station. This summer, I was using it as a piece of home decor in my cupboards that are glass. So I love using this multi. This is the color that I chose to go with. This is beautiful pops of pewter and warm brown and light brown in here. Of course, all handcrafted in Dresden, Ohio by our artisans there. These baskets are where it all began for Longaberger, as you know, and really makes Longaberger Longaberger. Signed and dated by MES 2021. You can see the burn stamp in the bottom there and that sign right there by the artist. These baskets are gorgeous, beautiful pieces of home decor, now multi-purposed here for back to school as the snack station. All right, then from the snacks, we are going to pull in the 1973 file organizing basket. This one also comes with a free protector as well, which is fantastic. Let me take the books out. Okay, so you get that nice tall, fits filing folders. So if you are using this in a home office, I know a lot of us are working from home like my husband and myself, gonna keep you nice and organized. This could be sheets of piano music. It could be magazines. The options are endless for this one. That's why I wanted to show it to you. But as I'm getting organized as homeschool mom, back to school, I'm going to repurpose my 1973 file organizing basket as a homework / workstation. This also comes in, you can see here, pewter, and our new color, which I love from the 1973 collection, is called Sand Dune. So check that out, beautiful. You can shop everything in this video, watching Elle Daily at longaberger.com or on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, let us know how you're getting organized for back to school. If you're on Longaberger right now watching this, you can shop everything in this video. So really easy to do that. Okay, so back to homework station. This has our reading book, math book, and we're practicing some handwriting. And there's gonna be a lot more, but all the books haven't come yet. So here's what I would do each night: pull out whatever homework assignment they have, put them in their folders, and put Mason, Lila, put all their sheets in their file folders here. And then I like to keep all my books in this file folder for the year because my kids learn a little bit different. Now Lila can learn right here at the kitchen counter, so I can keep this here in the morning, pull out a couple sheets for her to work on while I'm making breakfast. But my son upstairs, we have created a homeschool room for him that's just set aside in the back of the house, this small tiny room where he can have that peace and quiet as he gets distracted more easily. So I can carry this from room to room. Maybe it's in the dining room one day. That's the beauty for us homeschooling. We can take this outside if it's a nice day, to the back patio, take it to the front yard. This becomes my mobile classroom, keeping everything nice and tidy and organized. This I love. Now, if you have maybe kids that come home from school and you want to keep everything organized in terms of here's the work we need to complete and here's a finished pile, maybe getting 2 of these at least. I know I'm going to be adding to cart another one. I love that new sand dune color because Mason can have his, Lila can have hers. And for us, this will just keep everything organized at home, and they can move it from room to room as well. Or as I mentioned, if you're creating that home office or that homework study area for your kids doing their homework, this would be great. They can put their completed assignments in here. You can check them, or however you want to create your system. That's the beauty of this. It's however you find fit to use these products. And then when school year is over, this will go back on my shelf for decorating, or this is year-round purpose. So in my husband's home office, it is the first thing you see when you walk in the door of our home. It's off to the left with the French doors, and here's the deal. The desk was so cluttered. I'm thinking, babe, this is such an eyesore. This is all you see, pile of papers when you first walk in the house. Get yourself a 1973 beautiful file organizing basket with that free protector, and you can shove all your papers in here. Actually, here's even better. See that? Ta-da! They disappeared. Because of the width and the height and the size of this, it has a nice, wide, deep mouth, hiding those file folders, the workbooks, the 3-ring binders, the book club notes, whatever it may be. Maybe you're in school and you're studying in college, all those different things, just cluttering the desk. Now it looks stylish, it's organized, it has a home. It looks great if you have to leave it out. So instead of scattered papers and bills and all the things, maybe it's even recipes or coupon clippings, just stuff them in here and it looks good, and you don't have the clutter in your mind, because when you free the clutter around the house and put it in a little home, your mind feels freer. At least that's how I feel. Once everything has a space and it's tidy, Mama's happy. Okay, so we have our 1973 beautiful pewter or sand dune file organizing basket with that free protector, and then our 1973 collection bread basket with that free protector, but not just a bread basket. Now it's a snack station, or however you want to decorate with these two pieces. Happy back to school. I hope your kids and your grandkids have a wonderful year. And thank you so much to all of our teachers for keep showing up and teaching our children. I cannot thank you enough. As I've taken on homeschooling, I had no idea. Our teachers do so much. So thank you to all of you who are serving our children in whatever way it looks like. And Mom and Dad, you are doing great. Keep up the great work. I know we kind of have to take a deep breath, refocus, get on board with this new school year. I wish you all the success. And if you have any questions on this Friday Find about our products, let us know in the comment section on Facebook. Feel free to reach out to me individually at Christine Zell TV on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook as a stylist. I would love to help you get organized and inspired. Feel free to reach out anytime. I know a couple of you have, which I really appreciate, and it was fun helping you build your cart. So feel free. As a former QVC host, I've seen a lot of products, and as someone who loves to style her home, this brand is just so true to who I am and what I love. Family, heritage, quality, made in America, pieces that are fashionable and functional in your home. Have a great weekend as it's a Friday. Enjoy your last few weeks of summer, and I'll see you back here on a brand new Elle Daily. Take care.